Mm, mm. Hey, what's up, Cave Trader? Mm. Okay. Hey, good morning, everybody. Uh, maybe. Mm. Mm. I guess it'll definitely be bought. It'll be bought back up. Mm. Mm. I mean, I'm not bearish. I'm trading the mm. All right, we got like 5 minutes until the orb is confirmed. Mm. Oh shit. Damn it. Oh, man. Mm. Mm. Come on, baby. Love tat that limit. It said rest in peace, Bears. I mean, we knew this was going to happen. I mean, we shouldn't be surprised. The Bears suck. We shouldn't be surprised by this. I guess I shouldn't be surprised. Okay. Is this account? Huh. Okay, that's interesting. Hmm. Well, yeah, I tried. I tried at this double top right here, but mm, I figured that the Bears would want to kind of pull back, but I guess not. Mm, damn. Okay. Mm. Kind of figured that they would want to pull back here, but I guess not. Guess not. Guess not. Or yeah. All right. So 470. Okay. Well, today's orb is in 470. All right. So we are definitely trading with a lot more volume today. This is the volume for the first 15 minutes. So that's decent volume. Okay. All right. The orb is complete. And we're already kind of getting a damn, dude. God damn. I'm not even going to chase gold today. I don't know what the fuck gold is doing. Gold is just running, man. That shit is just running. Gold is just running. I'm just not going to chase gold. Just got to wait for it to re-freaking balance, I guess. Mm. Mm. Santiago says, no, it wasn't. No. That was Apex or that was Apex Evo. It wasn't Evo. I have one more trade. Santiago says 264. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is obviously a stop run, but damn. Okay. All right. All right. Nasdaq literally didn't give you an opportunity to get into this thing safely, nor did the ES. Damn. Okay. Well, you think if I go long right here, you think that it'll finally pull back? If I buy high and sell it higher? Yeah, I mean, shit, that's pretty obvious. Gain weight. I hate that I missed it. I hate that I missed it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm the jinx. So if I go long, then it's gonna short. It's like we got him. He's finally in long. Well, I mean, all the time frames, the hourly's bullish, 15 and 5 minute are all bullish. Are all bullish. Do we need to retest? Yeah. Mm. I guess now the market is recovering from the overreaction that was Friday. I really hate when the market uh, opens like this and the price action isn't there because that means I have to wait until the next session. And with all this bullishness, once it finally rebalances itself, will we get the same type of price action? Will we get the same energy? I don't think so. I guess I'm just gonna I have to wait. I have to wait, Santiago. Mm, we don't know about the Nasdaq and gold. Gold is just going crazy right now. It'd be foolish to try to get in front of this. I tried to get into this long this morning, and apparently I was being too cautious. I wanted it to kind of dip deeper. I wanted to retest the trend line again, so I had my limit at 409 right here, and it bounced at the value area high. It's kind of tough trading gold when the gold is super bearish or super bullish because you just have to catch the moves when they happen. Like last night, I was profitable in this, but it didn't hit my target, so I got stopped out. My target was around 401 or something like that, and it only made it to 404. So unfortunately, in this situation, I got stopped out of a winning trade. This is up what I got in at 411. So I was up like 7 points or something like that, and then got stopped out. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Daughters. All right. All right. Well, hmm. All right. We'll see. Let's see. I bought high. Let's see if I can buy high and sell it higher. Everything's looking bullish. All right. Let's see. I don't think we got any news today, or at least nothing that's going to be significant today. I don't believe so. Today's Monday. We have factory orders at 9 in the next 5 minutes. That's about it. That's all the news we got today. Hide your kids, hide your wife. Oh, that's hilarious. Mm. You can run and tell that. Mm. I mean, I'm not gonna complain about it, but man, that's crazy. I'm gonna complain about it though. 80, huh? All right, there goes that target. All right, cool. I mean, I guess. I mean, I guess what I did wrong here was I fought against the trend and the trend won. I mean, my initial thought process, I didn't necessarily want to be bearish here. I didn't want to be bearish, but what I was just looking for was a pullback into support. I, that's all I was really looking for. Was just that pullback into support. And I was looking to kind of front run this little high right here from Friday. I mean, but then obviously the market just ran these stops above these highs and it ran the stops above these highs right here. And I was just looking to trade a potential pullback in these areas, but it's my fault. I should have read the room apparently. Everybody's bullish right now, so I guess I should have read the room. It's fine though. I mean, the good thing about my strategy is that one win takes out two losses. So I think I should be down like maybe $200 or some shit like that, maybe two. But if I get these targets hit, I should be back green. So yeah, with this strategy, I really don't have a reason to ever go tilt because I can lose and I can still be a winner. I really don't have any reason to go tilt. I mean, Gainway, you talking about this big giant? I mean, well, I mean, I guess you could call this a pullback. I guess. I mean, this over exaggeration, this overreaction from the market. I guess on a higher time frame, I mean, technically, yeah, this would be a pullback because it literally pulled. I mean, it literally pulled back and literally double bottom at these lows. Literally. And this was the origin of this start of this big giant move. So I mean, it really is no surprise that price double bottom here and price pulled back into this area right here. So I mean, it's not a surprise. We're seeing the reaction that we're seeing. It's not a reaction. It's not a surprise. It's right here at double bottom. But mm, ah, yeah. Mm. He said that's greed. Well, I mean, mm, greed is one hell of a drug. You definitely know that by now. Okay. Greed is one hell of a drug. Hmm. 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 If price starts acting cute around Friday's or Thursday's low, if price starts acting cute around Thursday's low, I'll take it. Well, I mean, I might as well take it at that right there. Might as well. I mean, there's really no point to fight it. It's only 10 more points on one micro contract. So I'll take it there. I'll take it at 84, and then I'll just leave this runner uh, just in case it goes higher. Looks like the Bulls are having looks like they're having a slightly hard time at this 21 EMA. Hopefully we don't see a buyer failure here where the buyers fail to continue to push it off of this EMA. We need them. They've already bought it already. They bought the 21 EMA. All we need now is a continuation here. The Bears failing or the Bulls failing to push it out would kind of result and maybe a test of the 50 EMA here. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be buyers down here. I'm pretty sure, but I would prefer them to continue going. If it hits that second target, I'm going to pull this order. I'm going to pull this order if it hits that second target. Gold, you broke my heart today. I didn't think gold was going to do what it did today, but man, did it do it. Mm. Did they really? Are you talking about from the okay. Well, we'll see what happens here. I'm pretty sure they'll probably fake out at these highs probably. We'll see what happens. It is super bullish. Uh, uh, it is super bullish. We could see them potentially go back and try to retest that orb high. Mm, 197, 263 minus 197. So that was about 66 points right there. And shit from the lows. God dang, dude. Let's see. Price moved up 441 points from the highs, from the lows to the highs today. 400 points. There goes that buyer failure right here at the 21 EMA. Investor C says he knows where his girl's at night. He knows where ES is at night. Shit, NQ, she'll sit there and lie to you and tell you that she's at a damn that she's at a business conference with her boss. At a Motel 6. Talking about a business conference. Oh yeah, she's at a business conference, all right. Late night business conference with her boss. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. She's with her girlfriends. No, Alpha used the wrong word. It stop being insecure. Oh my god, that's hilarious, man. That is hilarious. Oh man, late night business conference with my boss. What the fuck? Yo, if you say okay after that, you deserve that, man. You don't just well, let me rephrase that. No one deserves that. But if, dude, late night business conference with my boss. The fuck? If she tells you that and you say okay, like what the fuck? Oh, that's hilarious, man. That's hilarious. Okay. Where is ES at right now though? Mhm. That's hilarious. A real trader. Oh my god, that's hilarious, man. That is hilarious. A real trader will wait for his profits. Or my bad. A real trader will wait for his target. He won't even think about taking profits. Yeah, I think this is a great strategy. I think this is probably the strategy I'll start using moving forward with the Nasdaq and just focus on this because that double dip right there, taking that first target and be able to double dip it, yeah. I mean, it hasn't hit the target yet, but still, just being able to double dip here, and it's all reward and no risk for me. I mean, even if this was a loser, I would still only lose 200 or $300, $270 here, or $300 here. But if I'm right, I can get some extra money in this play. It's a win-win for me. All right, hit that target, boo. And I should be positive. I should be. I should definitely be positive at this point. You said if I'm scalping, I mean, shit. This is about 45 points right here. Oh, gain weight. Come on. No, no. Man, we call 45 points a scalp. Well, shit. Yeah, I'm scalp. Oh, come on. Dude, come on. Come on, NQ. Come on. 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 Why did my stop come up? Mm, my stop didn't come up. I don't know what it is about that damn stop not coming up sometimes. Like that is so frustrating. Yeah, that's yeah. Pause. Gain weight. Shit, pause. What? What? Mm, all right, man. And Q, you gonna do me dirty or I mean, you gonna hit that target or what? Yo, dude, it seems like it, Alfred. I mean, shit. It seems like it. It seems like it wants to hurt my feelings and come back to my break even after being literally a point away from my. The high of this candle right here is 61. So after being what a damn. And it'll hit it. I would just hate for it to come back to my break even. Well, game weight, get out of the way and stop being a hater, man. Start buying so we can get this TP hit. I mean, I should be good, man. I should be good. I don't think they're gonna let this go. I'm not gonna let this go. I should be good. I'm not stressing about it. Game weight says that he bought the bottom. So you're in at the bottom of this move. You say your TP's at 300. Oh shit, so we almost there. Well, shit, gang weight. Get heavy. Get heavy. I mean, yeah, that's a good target though. At the top of this little range right here. That's a good target. Yeah, I think the Nasdaq wants to hurt my feelings here. It's okay. It's all right. I'm not gonna let her beat me. I'm not gonna let her hurt my feelings like that. It's fine. Mm. You say stop sliding is what you're doing. Shit, that's only the first TP, Alfred. That's only the first one. Mm. So we get all the stops getting ran. I say fine, I get in long, and all of a sudden now the Nasdaq want to do this price action shit now. Now she trying to act like she trying to, man, whatever, bro. I'm not gonna let the Nasdaq. Damn, whatever. I mean, first and foremost, is the one thing that I particularly don't care for is that my stop didn't move up. It didn't move up, and I've been seeing that happen a lot lately. My stop did not move up. Let me make sure that it's not me. Maybe it's me. 43.5. Mm. So that's interesting. Not only did the Nasdaq miss my target, she actually missed my trigger by a tick. She missed my trigger by a tick. Can you believe that? If that's not intentional, I don't know what the hell is. That's why my stop, she missed it literally by a tick. Extreme ownership. Extreme ownership. The trend will be my friend, or the trend will be your end. Yeah, that's actually kind of, yeah. Yeah, that's definitely true, game with. But I can't move that first target. That first target is law. Can't move it. I can adjust the second and third target, but that first target is law. Can't move it. Yeah, gain weight. Yeah, I mean, shit. Yeah, we definitely getting it. Cave Trader said he might be the best trader alive. Why you say that, Cave Trader? And yeah, I know that I need to break. This thing needs to break above. I mean, honestly, I think this thing may be trying to go for Thursday's low, or at least Thursday's low. At least I think that's where the market's trying to go. 286. I think that's where the market's trying to go. So I'll make sure I'm gonna front run that by a couple of points because I'm not playing that stupid game with the Nasdaq. I'm gonna front run it. And if I'm wrong, well, I got this last runner target. Yeah, retest that. Okay, I'll retest that right there. Damn. Okay. Oh wow. All right. Well, nice one, buyers. Nice one. Nice. Nice. Mm. Mm. Well. Mm. Yeah, I can't believe she missed me by a tick, man. That's crazy, man. I mean, she missed my target, but she literally went up far enough to miss me by a tick that would have triggered my stop to move up. Mm, wow. Mm, mm. Well, we'll see. Let's see what happens here. Mm, that's interesting. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Yeah, that's definitely true, Mr. Z. Definitely true. Oh shit. Hey, that's pretty cool, Ganway. That's pretty cool, Ganway. Gain weight with the daily loss limit? What? Santiago said he took profits on that short. Yo, congratulations, man. Shit, getting a short. And yeah, I mean, we talk about this a lot. Uh Reducing my size has definitely changed how I trade. I mean, as I will always say, that I hate the fact that when I'm up 100 or 200 points or whatever in a micro, I mean, it hits the ego real hard. It really does. It just makes me think like, man, all that effort, all that price action is going to a measly micro when I could have been in a mini. But trading this way will keep me in the game longer. So I guess I need to use that powerful word called compound interest. Allow my account to compound and grow every day. And once I've compounded my account to a size where I can handle a loss in minis, then I can trade the same way. Like if I'm trading 5 micro contracts and I'm comfortable with that and I grow my account size to be able to handle a 5 mini loss, because what on minis that'll be a $3,000 loss versus a $300 loss. If I'm trading an account where a 300 or a $3,000 loss will be a significant hit to the account, then I shouldn't be trading on one. Mm. Well, Yeah, that's definitely true, cave trader. And yeah, gain weight. Yeah. You said there's a mitigation on the daily. Yeah, that's actually where my targets. Yeah, yeah, that 286. That I think that's Thursday's low. And you said that there's a mitigation on that. Yeah, I think that's where the market is really trying to go. Somewhere around that area, around 286, probably 295 ish, probably before like a pullback, before a continuation higher. I mean, you can see that the bulls ain't letting this go. So I mean, that's a good sign. The bulls aren't allowing this to drop. But if the bulls fail, we could see a mean stop run to the downside here. Hopefully not, but gonna have to accept if that happens. Mm, mm, okay. Yeah, well, maybe I am Alfred, because that's kind of weird that shit did that. Maybe I am. I don't mean to do it, but maybe I am. Shit. And Q was she used every bit of her power not to fill that damn target, yo. Not to fill that order. You made it a point not to fill that order and to hit my fucking break even, you stupid bitch. All right, man. Nice. You worked real hard for my break even. You worked real hard. She worked real hard today. God damn, dude. Man, she worked real hard for that. Instead of hitting my order, she worked real hard for my break even. Yeah, I mean, hey man, Alfred, it happens, man. And there's times where the Nasdaq is just nasty like that. There's times, but I'm trading micro, so I mean, well, even if I was trading minis, I wouldn't have taken that. I got to be consistent. Yeah, there are times where stuff like that happens, man, and I hate it. I absolutely hate it. I hate it. Mm, mm. We only have one creed over here at the house of taking profits. Either it's going to hit my stop or it's going to hit my target. There's no in between. Either give me what I want or liquidate thou account. Shout out to Muhammad. Give me what I want or liquidate my account. I could have triple dip on this, man. Thank you. That's real nasty, man. That's so nasty. That is nasty, man. That was so nasty. You could have hit that damn target instead of being nasty like that, bitch. God damn. I mean, I got to keep the same energy on both sides of the market, man. If I'm in a loser, and if I can hold a loser, I can hold a winner. Yeah, there's times where it comes back to my break even and it hurts my feelings, yeah. But I got to have the same energy on both sides of the market. That shit has to hit my target or close to it. That's why I got the stop that comes up so I can keep that win ratio where it needs to be, where one loss takes out or one win takes out two loss. If I'm taking profits before that, well, I mean it messes that up. Mm, damn. I could have triple dipped in this thing, man. Man, NQ. Oh, oh, NQ. Oh, man, come on, man. I could have had some more money in this play, man. But I gotta follow the rules. I gotta follow the rules, man. I was going to break my rules right there because I had a feeling that the market was going to do this. I was going to break my rules, but I'm not going to do it. It didn't hit that target, so following the rules, I couldn't scale back into this thing because it would have messed up my risk to reward. Damn. I mean, this actually might be the push though. We might see the market break out above those highs actually. We might actually see the market break out above them highs. That's like BenQ is just gonna do what she wants to do. Yeah, damn. All right, dude. All right, NQ. You working real hard for my stop. Go ahead and take it if that's what you want. Go ahead and take it. You're working real hard. You worked real hard for that stop. Mm, mm, That's what we call a 20 twin twin. Taking profits in it is a sinny sin. Mm. Oh, that's funny. But I'm guessing everybody so far, August has been a good month so far. I mean, shit. I mean, that's obviously what it wants to do. Take my fucking stop, apparently, instead of hitting that target like it was supposed to. But fine, fine. I don't know where I would actually get back into this. Actually, don't know where I would actually get back into this. Probably 175, maybe 175. I'll get back in at 175, 150 or something like that. I don't know, maybe like R4. Yeah, 175 at R4. Probably get back in at itch. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. I'm just going to accept that this could possibly happen. So I'm just going to just get in, or I'm just going to set my limit right here. All right. Well, Nasdaq, you worked really hard for this. You worked really hard for that. Mm. Nah, I gotta let NQ know that her taking my stop doesn't emotionally affect me. We all know that the NQ is fueled off of your emotions. She takes pleasure in your pain. So say, tell that bitch to take it. Take it then. It don't hurt. I got another bitch that's gonna give me my money back. I don't need you. You ain't the only one I'm fucking with. You let NQ know that shit, and then she don't go to your stop. I was gonna probably take a trade in gold, but I might actually as 10 o'clock. I'm not gonna take no trade after 10 o'clock. The best time to get into gold is 6:30 to about 9:30. Preferably before 9:30. 9:30 is really kind of that cutoff for me. I don't usually get into nothing at 9:30, but especially not after 10 o'clock. I wasn't able to capitalize on that long this morning on gold. It didn't pull back far enough for me to enter into it. It's okay though. It's all right. I'll get her tomorrow. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong. And I just want to break even. I just want to break even, baby. I just want to break even. I was wrong. I just want to break even. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong. And I just want to break even. Mm. Maybe at one point in time that was a valuable strategy, but congratulations, NQ. Congratulations. You worked real hard for that shit, you nasty bitch. You worked real hard for that. Whatever, man. Oh man. I'm not even gonna be mad, dude. I'm just gonna laugh at it. I'm not even going to be mad. That is crazy. I'm not going to be mad at that. It's what she does. It's what she does. She finds a way to get what she wants and make sure that you don't get what you want. So the low of that was 187. Let's see. Yeah. Yo. Oh, wow. They're hurting my stops. They're hurting my stops. They're hurting my stops. Yo, what? No way. Oh, wow. 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 They're hurting my stops. They're hurting my stops. Wow, NQ. Okay. All right, man. Hmm. Apparently, gain weight. Apparently. Apparently, dude. If this thing fully recovers and then blows past this, dude. Well, damn, damn, NQ. Shit. Okay. That's crazy, man. Okay. Mm. Yeah. Oh, gain weight. I might be the problem here, dude, because it looks like this shit. It looks like it's about to recover and actually go full and actually go for it, dude. Hey, man. Stuff like that happens sometimes. That was some nasty work by the NQ, though. That was nasty. She literally missed my TP, at least my trigger by a tick. She missed my trigger by a tick, and she worked really hard to get my stop, man. She worked really hard. I got to give it to her, man. She worked hard for that stop. She deserves it. And would have missed that target too. All right, we'll see what happens, man. Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold. Nasdaq and gold. The Nasdaq and gold. Mm. You said Orb is a 50-point play? Yeah, you could be right. Well, the breakout on the high. It made it to 263. The orb high was at 197. So shit, yeah, if you took the orb high, it was a 66-point play. I was considering potentially getting back at this orb right here at the high where VWAP is. It does look like it wants to push. Hmm. It does look like it wants to push. Oof. Yeah, fuck it, man. Try to get in at the best entry as possible. Mm, yeah, that's a good entry. And that's a good spot to get in. Nasdaq worked really hard for my stock, dude. She worked really hard for it. Really hard for it. Mm. Damn, boy, she really worked hard for that damn stock, dude. That's crazy. Mm.
Mm.
K Trader says bad job reports is good news for the market as there will be rate cuts now. The issue is inflation. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll see if it works out, Cave Trader. We'll definitely see if it works out. I think it's a good entry. The market could definitely try to. Well, I mean, now this is, I guess, would be considered a strong low, and that this is the low that the bulls are going to want to protect. It doesn't mean that price won't swipe it and then do it, but I think this is a good re-entry if I still believe in the long, which I still do, but mm, I don't know what the market is waiting on here. I mean, yeah, the market pushed up 400 points, but that's normal in the Nasdaq. Maybe it's the ES that's holding us up right now. The ES is at some highs right now. The ES doesn't look like it will roll over anytime soon unless we get a break of about 630. And really, it's really not even 630. 625 to about 630. We'll kind of need that break, and then they hold, and then they'll break on the ES. But the ES is still trending and it's still making higher highs and higher lows. It is still trending. The market definitely punishes you for being late to a move for sure. It definitely does punish you. You get the sloppy and slow price action. Mm. Let me look at this real quick. Mm. You know what? That does look bearish though. That does look very bearish. Mm. That does look bearish. It doesn't look like price wants to recover here. It kind of does look like it wants to go at least to 175, where I initially thought that price could potentially go to. Does look like it wants to do that because what is bearish on the hourly? When it's bearish on the hourly, I kind of hmm, hmm, that is a bearish hourly candle. I don't like the fact that the previous hourly candle is bearish and we got price opening at the lows and we got price trading underneath the lows. That's not ever good. That is a bearish hourly. But I mean, it's obvious the bulls are buying this thing. They're trying to hold it, but if they fail, we'll definitely get a flush here. And this thing will definitely flush if this thing fails. So, we'll see. We'll see. Rainbow bears yet again. Rainbow bears strike yet again. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, we could see a flush and a bounce here. We could see that. Man, okay. Or a flush and a dump. All right, so if it stops me out here, if it fills this order and stops me out, this will be my last trade. This will be my last trade in this account, and I'm gonna have to come back and reassess the market again, I guess, because the market has definitely hurt my feelings today. Feel like I'm working a little bit extra hard. Mm. That's funny. All right, let's see. This will be my final trade. Mm. I wonder because right now the market is, at least the bulls are super trying at this orb high right now. I mean, they're super trying here. They're not allowing the market to go too far past that. I mean, they're buying it up. I wonder if this is going to be a, replay of what happened on Friday with the orb below. It just seemed like the bear just kept they kept selling into it, and it looked like the bulls wasn't going to hold it, and they got a small little break, and then the Bulls just did something like that. So I wonder if we're gonna get like a replay of that. Oof. But the Bulls are definitely holding that orb high right now. So if they fail, we could see a flush. Yeah, so I'm wondering if the Nasdaq is trying to generate some liquidity so it can touch that so it can touch R4 right here, and use the bull stop so it can just touch R4, because we do got a range right there at R4 though. You got that little break right there, and that's where the market could be trying to get into, somewhere in that area. Oh, all right. Yeah, he said first. Honestly, Alfred, the way that the Nasdaq's been trying to come after me today, uh, shit, they're hunting my stops. They're hunting my stops. They're hunting my stops. Oof. Well, man, and this is what I will say right here. If you was heavy in this move right here, the way that the Nasdaq was playing with your emotions, spending about an hour in this one spot, man, I'm pretty sure a lot of people's hearts stopped in this area right now. The Nasdaq literally spent a whole almost an hour in this damn spot for 30 minutes. About 30 minutes in this spot. Yeah, I don't like time charts for sure. Well, actually, it's not that I don't like time charts. It's just that I won't trade on them. I definitely will not trade on a time chart. Gold is definitely bullish now. Or I'm not bullish, bearish. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait until a valid or until gold presents a valid setup. Because it ran these highs, and then now we're seeing a dump. That'll do, Nasdaq. That'll do. That'll do, Nasdaq. That'll do. Yeah, hopefully we see this thing continue, man. That would be nice. Oh, that can't be right. I'm sorry to hear that. God damn. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, the one thing that about especially on gold, man. Especially on gold. So hold on. You said that you tried to short. Where did you say you tried to short? Where? Let's look at that because I understand it because I trade gold too, and sometimes, well, I don't do that anymore, but I definitely have done that. I've lost maybe two funded accounts doing exactly that. From 8:30 a.m. right before the opening bell on gold leverage. All I had to do was stop out my 5 micro short at three. 314. Yeah, dude, honestly, so I think I saw what you saw this morning because I almost made that mistake too, but the one thing about gold is that man, it was making higher lows. I almost shorted this too because I missed a long and then I thought, well, maybe it's trying to go short. I tried to convince myself this shit was trying to go short, but then I had to stop myself and say, no, this shit is making higher lows. This thing is going long. I just had my entry too far back. I guess I should have trusted this bracket structure right here. I should have trusted it. I thought it was going to, I thought honestly it was going to come in this area right here. And this is where I had my limit because of, this little range right here. There was a range. The trend line was right there. So that's where I initially had my long entry. It missed me. And then I almost convinced myself to go short. And I was like, nah, that's not the play. I just have to come back tomorrow. And I'm glad I didn't because I would have been super hurt. But yeah, gold is not, it's hard to have hopium on gold because she ain't the type to get your hopes up. She is not the type to get your hopes up. She is the type that she likes to be clean. And when she breaks up with you, and she likes to get straight to the point. She don't even want to hear you beg for her forgiveness. She doesn't respond to that. She does not respond to it. It's either you're on her program or you're just not going to be there at all. She's just that simple. And that shit with that playing around that the Nasdaq did with me this morning, playing around with my stop. If I saw this, I mean, shit, she might as well should have Gold would have stopped me out without question. She wouldn't have done none of this. She just would have stopped me out. It's just the Nasdaq that likes to play with your heart. That's why she gives you hope. Like, I mean, here's the crazy thing. If I had my stop literally 3 points underneath, like, so she came back, so she stops me out. And then this candle right here would have stopped me out the first time at 90 because I had I think I had my stop at 190, I think. It don't matter no more, but she worked really hard to hurt my feelings today. She gave me hope and she took it away from me. And that's what gives the NQ pleasure. Gold, she's straight to the point. Gold is definitely in a downtrend now. And you're absolutely right, YM. Once gold invalidates, you have to stop out. You just have to, because gold runs on stops. If she invalidates your trade, she's stopping people out and she's using those stops as fuel to go higher or lower. Gold is definitely nasty. That's absolutely true, Cave Trader. That's absolutely true. That is absolutely true. We do see our accounts as death. Technically, it is. Technically, it is, man. I mean, if you want to think about it this way, isn't when we watch something or a TV show or we read a book, don't you feel yourself projecting or associating yourself with your favorite character or your favorite team? And I guess there is a term for it, living vicariously through that entity, person, place, or thing. If your team, favorite character experienced a loss, it's as if we experienced that loss too and we feel it. So these accounts are, I mean, no different. I mean, these accounts represent us. It represents our actions, our executions, our emotions. So it makes sense that your survival instincts will kick in if this account is about to blow up. The beautiful thing is that if you lose an account, we don't actually lose our lives. We just lose a piece of ourselves. But good thing we're not lobsters, though. Lobsters has it tough. I mean, lobsters have to win 100. Lobsters literally have to have a 100% win rate, or they turn to cucks. Like it's crazy that they have something like that. So apparently they said that lobsters could potentially be immortal. Or let me rephrase that. They're suggesting that lobsters could potentially be immortal. If they continue the molt, then and if they don't get eaten, they just continue to grow and molt. But based on this documentary, the reason why they die, I guess, is because they stop molting. They don't want to do it anymore. But if they just continue to do it, then I guess there wouldn't be anything that would suggest that they die. Uh, I just find it interesting that a shark, what is it, the Greenland shark, living up 500 years and shit. Like, what's up with that? Why is a shark outliving humans? And like, why is anything outliving us? Unless us humans, we have a higher lifespan and we just kill ourselves day to day by, or we just shorten our lifespan day to day by our daily activities. But that's not here or there. But lobsters gotta have a 100% win rate because every time they lose, they move one step closer to being a cuck and some other lobster's bitch. So good thing that we don't have that same chemistry. Good thing that if we lose, we can reassess and we can come back. But I'll give this 2 more minutes. Give this 2 more minutes. And, then I'm gonna have to jump into this meeting. Yeah, YM, dude. Yeah, I understand what you're going through, man. I understand. It's very simple, but unfortunately, as much as we want to be robots, we have stupid emotions that we can't turn off. I'm definitely coming to terms with that myself, just to keep it mechanical and just accept what happens. Don't move your stop, don't move your target. The strategy is always simple. And just like what Mike Tyson said, everybody has a strategy until they get hit in their face. And that's who you really are. When you get hit in your face, that's who you really are. And if you don't like who that person is, you got to work to change that person. And I'm obviously speaking from experience. I think we all are speaking from experience here. And Cave Trader is absolutely right. You don't need a 100% win rate. It's nice to have, but like with my strategy, I don't need a 100% win rate. I just need to win more than I lose. I can lose twice, and one trade brings me right back. I think I probably broke even earlier before Nasdaq did this nasty shit that she just did, stopping me out in crap. So I think I probably was profitable. I lost twice and I got my money back with one trade. So I don't need a 100% win rate. I just need to win. Yeah. But all right, guys, I gotta go. I gotta hop into this meeting. We'll definitely come back later on today, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody.